They came in school in uniform but not in proper uniform. Many students, they came in other socks or sweater or jacket. So all these cloth items are not allowed in school. So from tomorrow onwards, all of you will not come in extra sweater or socks or whatever else. If you want to come in school, then you have to come in proper uniform. Understood? अगर आप लोग को यदि स्कूल आना है तो प्रॉपर स्कूल फॉर्म में जो है आना है, नहीं तो घर में ही रहना है. अंडरस्टूड? And when there will be a final sports conduct, at that time also all of you should be present in house dress. If any one student not found in house dress, they will be sent to their home, and all of you should be also sure that you will not come to school if you don't have हाउस ड्रेस. यदि आप लोग के पास हाउस ड्रेस नहीं है तो आप लोग जो है नहीं आइएगा. समझ में आ रही बात? और अभी देख रहे हैं कुछ बच्चे अभी जो है प्रॉपर यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं आए हैं, तो आप लोग भी जो है अगर नहीं आते हैं कल से प्रॉपर स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में तो आप लोग को भी नहीं आना है. अंडरस्टूड? So these things all of you should be remembered, and even all the class teachers should also remind these things that in their respective classes students are not allowed extra sweater or socks, whatever those items they came in school. So these things you should be very strictly followed by you also. And another thing is that despite several times I informed to all the students that senior classes students will not use that side of toilet, but still they are going for water or for toilet. So I don't know those students who are going there, they don't understood my language or what, I didn't know. If you will not follow, then you will be strictly punished at that time. अगर आप लोग अगर इस बात को अगर आज से भी फॉलो नहीं कर रहे तो पनिशमेंट मिलेगी, और वहां पर जो भी टीचर्स वहां पर खड़े रहेंगे या हम रहेंगे, अगर वहां पर पाए जाते हैं उसी समय जो है तत्काल जो है पनिशमेंट मिलेगा. इस बात को ध्यान देना, और जो भी बच्चों का जो है बाल बड़ा है वो भी जो है बाल जो है काट कर आएंगे. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? And during the departure time, it is also seen that many of the students, they rush in stair or in a veranda. So these things also you should know that while you rush during the departure time, there may occur incident also. You may have to follow trouble at that time. Understood? समझ में आ रहा होगा? So if you will face problem at that time, then it is a very regret for me that you are not following the instructions what I am giving to you all. Okay, so all of you should be followed. So now I would like to call Aryan from class 5J Narayan. So, first of all,